I have not met one person who has said that AI can do the job completely or even close to completely. All of them say, like you said, it's not something that can, at this moment at least, replace people. It's just something you have to use specifically in specific areas. Would you agree with that? We read these headlines like, this company has downsized these many positions because of AI. And I never know if they're lying or not. Like, I don't know if AI has that kind of effect. I think they just use it as an excuse.
Could be. There's a funny story actually behind what you said. There's indeed a company that replaced or downsized because most of the employees were replaced with some chatbot. But following customer feedback, they ended up hiring people again because customers weren't happy with the interaction. They weren't actually getting along with the chatbot. Maybe it wasn't a good version. Who knows? No. So they ended up hiring back people. So I don't know if maybe in 10, 15, 20 years.
Yeah, you never know.
Probably, but right now, no. I don't think it can do what people can do. I think AI just imitates, right? It's capable of imitating really closely, but you have to feed it some good info because it needs a good model to imitate.
Yeah.
Most of the business is done by interacting with people and knowing people and bringing ideas to the table with people and discussing them, right? AI is just a tool that can help you make better decisions, give you a broader scope, a broader image of something. But at the end of the day, you still work with people.